Hello, my name is Eric. In this video about van conversion, I will show you a very versatile and simple table. I love it so much for its simplicity, the living space that it provides, and the no time required to install and remove it. This video is part of a video series about van conversion. You are very welcome to subscribe. The channel is also about van life and adventures. The table is very well fixed. To build it, I just used a few screws and the right material. It needs almost no step to assemble or disassemble. The table is so practical because you can completely remove it quickly and store it in any corner of your van. You can install it inside the van and outside as well. When you live in a tiny home on wheels or fixed to the ground, you need space. This table just makes perfect sense to me. It is perfect for a van conversion and so enjoyable in a day-to-day van life. It is so simple to use that it seems almost magical. The simplicity of it is so surprising. The construction is very simple. It is made with only 4 main pieces. An ice board of your choice, a folding and telescopic leg, and 2 aluminum profile rails. You just need screws to assemble all this. This may be the easiest part of your do-it-yourself van conversion project. And the result is functional and very aesthetic to me. I just love that table. For the board, I choose a wood that is strong enough to hold the screws for the rail and not too heavy because I have to manipulate it when I install or remove the table in my day-to-day activities. If you go on a really large table, the weight that comes with the size of the table can also be a matter of interest, so choosing light is good. So here's how everything is assembled. It is very simple. I use no glue, just screws. There's a profiled rail fixed to the edge of the board, and another one that is fixed to the body structure everywhere I want the table to be fixed. And there is the folding telescopic leg that is also simply fixed with screws to the board. Since the top of my counter is larger than my cabinet, I had to install the fixed profile rail a little lower to allow the angle required to let the 2 profile rails clip together. So what are those 2 profile rails? They are standard items that you can find in RV stores. They are pretty common in the RV World parts stores. And it is the same for the telescopic leg. As you can see, there's a way that you need to install the rails. The 2 aluminum profiles are not alike and there's a way to install them. When the 2 rails are not fixed to anything, they are not easy to unclip, and it is hard to figure out on which part and on which side that each one goes. I have met people that had installed them in the wrong way and did not understand why the table was unstable. The rails did not come with installation instructions. You should save my video and subscribe to the channel to remember the way to fix them. That's it. It's pretty easy. Anyone can do a van conversion project. It is not that difficult. Step by step, piece by piece, you can figure it out. You can do it. To inspire you and get techniques, take a look at the videos on my channel. You should subscribe. More videos will come. Here's a playlist of a few of them. The rhythm of my video production and publishing let you know that you miss time when you have a converted van, because you go enjoy life and the outdoors so easily. Go ahead with your van conversion project. Enjoy! See ya! and don't forget to subscribe.